You know how it is. It's really rough. So you're putting in a 6 to 8 hour day on your knees, fixing appliances, but at the same time, I'm having to answer every phone. I'm having to fill out all the invoices and estimates, mark them as paid, all that jazz, which takes time. I'd have to look up the parts for the return visits, get those into my system, order them through Marcone. I'd forget to order parts all the time. I would be in people's homes. I'd tell them I need to order a part. I'd get the estimate approval. And then I'd forget to order the part and I'd forget to rebook them. And the customer sometimes would be calling me the next day, hey, where are you? And I'd be like, oh shit. And I'd make something up like, oh, the part's delayed. And I'd quick order it. When all that chaos was going on, I was doing an additional 4 hours of work a day on top of doing repairs for all that office work. When it stopped, when I finally connected all the closed loop of the automations, it was weird. It was like, I felt unsettled because I was so unused to having to do all this stuff and running around like an octopus that it was just eerie. It was strange getting used to. I had to settle into it. It's so much different and you really have to experience it to believe it. So if you go on there now, we are offering complimentary trials. So I think you get like 15 gigs a month for complimentary so you can feel what the workflow is like. And you can send a text message with the booking form or any way you want to somebody, and the booking form, when it's filled out, will trigger all the automation. You have to experience it to believe it. Get out and get it, people. Go to GuildUSA.com. I'm gonna go put in a igniter this morning, a gas igniter in an LG. So I'm out in the road here, and then I'll be back at my desk publishing this video. Get your time back. Don't let the job steal all your time. You have to try it to believe it. Go to GuildUSA.com, sign up for a complimentary plan today.